Good morning! My name is Timmy Times, and I like multiplication because it tells a story about the number of times groups of things are added together. With multiplication, there are two important words everyone should know. Those words are factor and product. The factors show you the number of things in a group, and how many times they are added together. The product is the result you get when two or more factors are multiplied. Let's see how easy it is to multiply by 1. Take a look before I show you my trick. Maybe you can figure it out. What do you notice? Here's a hint. Compare the factor being multiplied by 1 to the product. When I multiply by 1, I pretend that the number 1 is really a mirror that is reflecting the number it sees. Can you see it now? The mirror trick makes it easy to multiply by 1. Let's take a look. Here is a plate. This plate contains 4 fortune cookies. Count those cookies only one time to get a total of 4 fortune cookies. So, no matter what number you use, when you multiply by 1, you'll always see the same number as your answer. Let's see if you know this. What is 5,000 times 1? I'll give you a moment. Don't forget to use my mirror trick if you get stuck. It's 5,000. Your answer is always the same value as the number you are multiplying by 1. Multiplying by 1 is easy. I hope you liked my mirror trick. Come back soon to learn more.